Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so what we have here is the Homedics, the #1 brand in massage. This is the vibration neck massager with soothing heat, and we are about to do an unboxing of this.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the Homedics #1 brand massage vibration neck massager. It has a vibration massage. It got a soothing heat on it. Pain relief for aching muscles. Let me see what's on the back of it. Pretty much the same thing. Zoom in a little bit. Pretty much the same thing. And this is how it looks right here. It says a vibration massage with 2 speeds to relax tense muscles, soothing heat for added comfort. Flex handles let you control your massage intensity. Extra soft comfort form. And it has adapter. It says adapter or battery operated. Vibration operates on included AC adapter or 4 AA batteries. And from what I'm reading right here, just to let y'all know, the batteries are not included with this purchase right here. So you would have to buy your batteries individually. It says it melts away tension in your neck. Melts away tension in your neck. So we're about to try this out. Let me see if there's, it says vibration neck massager with soothing heat. And we're about to open this up. This was $19.98. Let's see if this is a good buy. So we're going to do the unboxing, and we're also going to do the live, well, I guess recorded product review right now. So I'm opening this up right now. Let me see. Opening this up. Alrighty, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so first it's in plastic. There's nothing's in the box. You can clearly see right here. So there's nothing's in the box. Alrighty. So first I'm gonna take this off. This is the actual massager right there. Leave this right here. Alrighty. So this is the bag. And let's see what's in the bag right now. Alright. So of course we have the manual right here. This is the instruction manual, and it has the warranty information in it. Let's see what else do we have here. And this is the power cord that I'm actually about to connect it, so y'all can kind of just see my recorded experience. Those of y'all that's new, make sure you join this amazing channel. I do product reviews and unboxing and cash giveaways. Those of y'all new, welcome to Super Album TV. This is some activated carbon in here. Let's see, activated clay. Okay.
And it says right here, congratulations on the purchase of your new massager. After you remove the clear poly bag, you may notice a slight odor. This odor can be common and is completely harmless. Okay.
I don't smell anything. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm actually about to plug this up right now to see how this thing works. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is the massager, and this is how it looks right here, as y'all can clearly see.
And this side.
And that side. Alright, and it also has a zip on it right here. It's a little zip. And it actually unzips. So just to let y'all know, it does unzip. Okay, so
I'm going to plug this up. see. And I'm assuming you can just use it right away. Let me see. Make sure okay, the power button is right there. Whoa. Oh, wow. I feel it instantly. Oh, wow. It's a really good massage. Let me press this button right here. This is supposed to provide some type of heat sensation. And I'm assuming these handles right here is so you can have a grip on it. Oh my goodness. It feels even better when you actually hold the handles like this and you hold down on it. You pull down on these handles, it actually feels better. Oh wow. This is a real sensation. Oh my goodness. Definitely a good buy for just under $20, $19.98. This is a great buy. I hope y'all enjoyed this product review on this Homedics neck massager with the soothing heat option right here. Oh my goodness. So when you press the power button again, it actually gets more intense. Oh my goodness. Woo! Okay guys.